Welcome to this video on static switches in power electronics. We will explore how these switches work and guide you through their application in electrical installations. A static switch controls electrical power using semiconductor components. It has no moving parts, which allows for lightning-fast operation. These switches require power semiconductors. AC systems typically use SCRs or thyristors, while DC systems prefer MOSFETs or IGBTs. The switch operates in two primary states. The OFF state blocks current when the control circuit removes the signal. The ON state conducts electricity when a gate current is applied. For AC applications, two SCRs are connected in anti-parallel because an SCR only conducts current in one direction. This setup allows for full AC power control. In this configuration, the positive half-cycle triggers 1 Seychelles rupee and the negative half-cycle triggers 2 Seychelles rupees. The seamless current handover ensures the load receives continuous power. The switch sequence starts with available AC power. A gate pulse is applied, the SCR conducts, and the load receives power. Then, the gate pulse is stopped, and natural commutation turns the SCR off. A static transfer switch, or STS, manages two separate power sources, constantly monitoring the preferred source and preparing for an instant transfer if needed. In data centers, the STS connects utility and UPS power. If a utility fault is detected, the switch instantly transfers the load to the UPS to ensure uninterrupted power. The STS uses a break-before-make sequence, instantly cutting the first gate signal and firing the second. The transfer happens in less than 4 milliseconds, preventing sensitive IT equipment from registering the interruption. Static switches offer significant advantages over mechanical contactors, including microsecond switching speeds, no moving parts, silent operation, no arcing, and a very high life expectancy. However, there are challenges. Semiconductors create a voltage drop that generates heat, requiring robust cooling. Also, a turned-off switch still allows a tiny leakage current. Because static switches lack true galvanic isolation, technicians must install a manual mechanical bypass switch. This bypass switch ensures human safety during maintenance by eliminating leakage current. Static switches are essential in modern infrastructure, powering UPS systems in data centers, controlling industrial motors, managing renewable energy inverters, and supporting power distribution. The static switch is a solid-state revolution. It eliminates vulnerable moving parts, delivers near-instantaneous power transfer, and forms the unbreakable backbone of critical electrical installations.